Hello friends, and today I will show you how to install programs and apps on Windows 11 OS. So let's go and start the video. First, you can see here I have lots of applications and programs. So just like for example, I don't want any Xbox program or application. So how to install or remove this from your Windows 11 OS? So let's go and start. First, go to your setting menu and then on the left side click on apps, tap on apps and features, and here you can see there are lots of programs are installed in your OS. So select the program which is you don't want. Here you can see I don't want Xbox Live. So here you can see three dots are showing. Tap on it and install the program. The program is removed. This is the first way you can try and remove the program in your PC. The second option is just tap on Start menu and click on All Applications, All Programs. Select the program which you don't want. Here you can see guys, there are lots of programs are installed in my OS. So I am selecting this program to install. Tap on right click on it and select install. So you can see here the program is removed from my Windows 11 OS.